Micington is proudly sponsored by AA Composites. Hold on to your bottles, because the AA doesn't stand for Alcoholics Anonymous. No, it stands for double quality boat repair products that'll make your boat shine brighter than my party nights. If your boat needs some lovin', give them a call. Tell them Micington sent you and they'll look after you. Cheers to AA Composites for keeping my BERTRAM project afloat and my glasses of spirits up high. It's time to glue the deck down properly. I should have done it ages ago. Why did I not clean this up before I started putting the deck on? Idiot. Oopsies. It's much better. There's still a bit of a gap there, but I'll do something about that later. But now I've got a massive overlap all the way over here. And it's too hard to do with one hand. I'm wasting my time. I got to cut even more out of here because I made this stupid bit recessed. Yeah, so I wasn't happy with the fit, so I had to lift the deck up again. This happened a few times. Yeah, baby. Look at how good that is now. Third or fourth or fifth time lucky. But I'm pretty happy, and I've come up with an idea of how I'm going to get the deck so this line is straight. What I'm going to do is measure from this lip to that lip up here and kind of just eye it up and screw it down where it's good, and then when it's screwed in the right place, I'll bash it down until it's all even the whole way round. There's definitely some pretty big gaps in some areas. I knew about this. This was like this the whole time. It's actually gotten better. That looks a lot better. But the only thing is, right now there's heaps of pressure pulling these in to get the front tucked in as good as what it is. So I'll start from the front, screw the front in, and then work my way back, and then undo the pulley system, and then the back should flex back out. I hope. Anyway, it's a bit of a guessing game, but that's been my life for the past 4 years, so this is nothing new. I think this is what happens if you use too much resin in your fiberglass. It'll delaminate really easy, like this. Where I go after this, you'll never guess. I didn't even think I was gonna go where I've gone. See you on the next one. You right?